Hi there and welcome to the walk around of the BMW F30 XDRIVE saloon here at your next car. So I'll give you a little walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk to you some of the options and spec we have on this stunning vehicle. So of course, starting with the outside of the car, where you will note it has the BMW individual paint, which is called Individual 490. It is very closely, loosely based on the Porsche 911 RS Green. So starting with the outside of the car, you will see that it has got the Performance and Styling pack fitted to it. It also has the BMW adaptive LED headlamps, as you can see in operation there. It has the genuine 405M alloy wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport tyres all the way around. Down the side we have the black side vinyl side decals and M Performance stickers. Inside the vehicle we have a stunning black Dakota leather, which in the front excuse me, is heated. We also have the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. We have the Grand Piano black trim, which is all the way through, which is a very rare optional extra. So we have it on the centre console, dashboard and door card pulls. We have of course the privacy glass. Satin rear boot spoiler. Moving around to the rear, where you'll see the satin rear diffuser, and of course the XDRIVE badges next to this. Being a 335D, it gets that as standard. We have the rear reversing camera, which I'll show you in a bit more depth in just a moment. Boot space on the 335 saloon is very, very good. Plenty of space in there. The paintwork alone on this one was about £3,500 to have done from BMW, so it's a very, very rare option. There's currently only one other BMW painted in this colour in the country at the moment, and that is a 4 Series Grand Coupe. So for that nice bit of extra individuality, it's certainly the one to go for. Photos and videos and do not do this colour justice. It is a little bit darker than what it looks in photos or videos, so believe me, it's definitely one to come and see, especially if you are into your Porsche colours. We also have the electric lumbar adjustment for front and front passenger and driver's seat. Okay, so I'll now get on inside to the driver's side and just show you some of the interior features and options we have. Again, showing you the beautiful adaptive LED headlights. For a quick summary of what the adaptive LED headlights do whilst I'm walking to the driver's side, is basically they turn with you in the direction of the steering turn. So you turn the direction of the steering wheel, the headlights follow that turn to give you more precise vision at night time and in darker conditions. The vehicle itself has covered just over 34,000 miles, as you can see there. We of course have the superb 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift, cruise control with speed limiter, voice controls, volume controls, automatic lights, automatic wipers. The heated seats, which we spoke about. We also have the superb professional wide navigation and media. This is the facelifted iDrive, so it's got the up-to-date software. As you can see there, we've got the both recorded services, including the first PDI check on the service history. The vehicle itself is not due an engine oil change for 14,000 miles, so plenty of life in the service before you'll need to have the vehicle serviced or any other maintenance work carried out. The rear reversing camera, which we saw earlier, is now a little bit of a display of that for you. It also has the BMW head-up display, which once the camera focuses, there we go, will show you obviously speed. It also has the speed warning, so that is due on obviously the current road you're on. If you have a sat-nav route set, it'll also show you route by route guidance and any warning messages, i.e. low temperature outside, screen wash low, etc, etc. An extremely high spec vehicle and in a very individual rare colour. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around video for the 335D in individual 490 green. As I say, videos and pictures do simply not do this colour justice. It is much better for us to be viewed in the flesh to be appreciated. We of course hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful, but most of all we hope to see you very soon here at your next car. Thank you very much for watching. All the best, take care, bye bye.